Weather out in our far eastern counties. Here's Culberson County, and Wednesday, beginning tomorrow morning and lasting to early tomorrow afternoon, there's going to be the potential that we could see a little freezing rain, sleet, maybe a little light snow. I don't really anticipate you folks in Culberson County right around Van Horn seeing much. I think most of it will be just to the east of you guys, but certainly kind of keep this in mind. Does not affect El Paso County or even Hudspeth County, but let me take you right out to our latest Future Track regional model. Now, later on tonight, here we are at 10 o'clock. Notice some of the snow developing well up to the north in northern New Mexico. And look at the temperatures. We've got some colder air, certainly up in that direction. If you're going to be traveling up north in the Texas Panhandle, you may encounter some snow late tonight into tomorrow morning. Look at that temperature in Amarillo at 21, 26 in Lubbock. Notice how we do see a little bit of some light rain here in our far eastern counties. As the temperatures drop, that could change over to some freezing rain or even some sleet. But notice how the model does not really put a whole lot out there. A lot of clouds, certainly. It will be cloudy and overcast and cold, but most of the snow by lunchtime will start to move into Oklahoma, western Oklahoma, Oklahoma City there, and you're looking at very cold temperatures. So again, if you're going to be traveling up in this direction, that's where you're going to see the more inclement weather. All right, here's your temperatures out to our east. Del City, 29. Look at Van Horn, 27. Sierra Blanca at 32. Your high temperatures for tomorrow. Maybe we're going to have a lot of clouds hanging around. Temps only making its way to about 44 in Van Horn. Del City at 47. Sierra Blanca a little bit farther towards the west there will be a little bit warmer. Here's your temperatures area-wide. We're going to drop it down into the 20s and 30s tomorrow morning. San Eli, a little chilly tomorrow. Look at the high temperatures. We should rebound very nicely. 58 in Horizon City and Fort Bliss 58. Mind you, these temperatures are going to be a little cooler than what we had out there this afternoon. All right, Anthony, 29. We have White Sands at 25. Hatch at 27. So colder in the outlying areas in the county, and high temperatures tomorrow in the mid and upper 50s. Again, we were talking about some of the colder air coming in by later on next week, but chances for precip going to be right around the averages for this time of year. 35 will be the overnight low tomorrow. We're looking at 58 degrees. Las Cruces down to 32. Your high temp tomorrow will make it up to 56. Again, lots of sunshine area-wide. 60 on Thursday. We warm up a little bit, then we cool down more dramatically behind our next more potent cold front. 50, the wind's going to pick up on the west side of town. We're going to be talking about gusts at about 30. But notice 27 degrees Friday morning, then about 25 Saturday morning. But the weekend, we should have a good amount of sunshine and temperatures working their way into the 60s early next week, Mark.
All right, thanks, Doppler. It's time for our ABC